Velvet Taco's always been that kind of cool, funky, hip place where you wouldn't find traditional things that you would expect to find inside tacos. Everything we do is made from scratch. We pride ourselves in the quality of our food. The Aussie lamb product is a great product to work with, great rich flavor to it, really tender, low fat. You can really tell that a lot of care goes into how the lamb is farmed. Mary's Little Lamb. It's kind of got that Mediterranean influence. It's ground lamb that's sauteed with a little bit of allspice and a little bit of cinnamon. We got a lot of great comments about how delicious it was. Sorghum lamb meatballs. We have our ground lamb and we have a little bit of sweet sorghum syrup and some harissa paste and then forming it into meatballs. The better the quality of our food, the more people will come back and appreciate what it is we do. And the Aussie lamb product fits into that.